I'm going to demonstrate how you can download a web page document and save it as a PDF file so that you can either print it or you can send it to someone else, or you can actually save it for later use. Okay, so especially if you're working on a research project or assignment or essay or any other thing, and you are collecting information using Google or any other search engine on the internet, you find an article that is of interest to you and you want to save it as a PDF document for later reference. So that's what I'm going to show you now. So in this, I'm looking for 3 levels of government in PNG. So 3 levels of government in PNG. I press enter and I see all the links here. So there's State of Papua New Guinea from the US State of Department, Papua New Guinea, and Asian Development Bank, and then Australian Department of Forest have country brief. So I'm interested in this article, so let me just check this out. And now you have an article from the Australian Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade website about the country brief for PNG, and that looks good, and I need this piece of information. So how do I get it? Now, first thing I'll do is I'll go to the very edge, right edge of the screen on Google Chrome, and I will select on this kebab menu the 3 dotted one. So I'm going to go to click that, and I'll come down to print, and when I come to print, it will show me the destination. Okay, so destination is where you choose the save as PDF, because that's the option that I want to save, so that I just want to save this, and then later on I can print it or I can read it later. Okay, now the bit of problem with this one is that once when you look at the preview, it's 2 pages, 7 pages, and some of the pages are not really needed, like this one here, this one, and then on the side you have the site information, and then you have the header and footer at the top, the flag, and all these link informations, which I don't want. I just want a clean document, because I'm going to waste a lot of ink if I have to print all these unnecessary information, and it's not even good for me to read as well. So the layout is mostly by default is landscape, because web pages are meant for the screen. So because the screen is kind of a landscape size, so it's flat out like that. If you change it to portrait, then your page increases, and then you will get the information, but you will get 7 pages for this information. It is a little bit cramped up. So either way, you can make it landscape, or you can leave it as you can portrait. It's up to you, but then you can save. So that's the first way to save. But what I don't want is all this additional information, and that's what I don't want to go waste my ink and also paper to print all this unnecessary, not unnecessary, but this additional information that is there. So how do I do that? And a very good way is to use the browser extension. So I have an extension called Printer Friendly. Okay, so if I go to my extensions here, you'll see that I have this Printer Friendly extension, which is what I want to use. So instead of going to print here, I use this extension, and I'll say printer friendly. So I will now click on that, and now my document is now converted in a very nice format, just like any other document. And you can save it as a PDF, you can email it, you can screenshot it, and you can even print it, and it will get a nice document like this without all these other additional information. And the nice thing about it is that you still have your link information there. So this is the source, dfat.gov.au, and that's the title of the web page. So someone can click on that as a source. And also, if you are doing a reference for your for this article, then you can use that as your in the reference as well. So that's the good thing, because it still maintains the link, and then you get a very nice article without all these other unnecessary or additional information of the website. So that is what you do. So how do I get it? I just go straight to the you can see that it's at the bottom. It's this one is the printfriendly.com. So print friendly, and you will see printfriendly.com. That's the extension that we are looking for. And you can do some online conversion of file and things like that online, but I'm looking for the extension. So I have the extension here, and this extension is for Google Chrome. So I will download that, and then I can now click on head. So what will be headed to my extension in Chrome. I can, if I'm using Safari or Edge or Firefox, I'll do the same. So this is where it gets very friendly, and it's a nice tool, a nice extension, and it will save you a lot of ink and paper. And also, if you're looking for online information and doing research on articles on web pages, and you want to save them as PDF, then use the extensions, and printer friendly is the way to go. So I hope this piece of information is helpful to you. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe and like, so that when I post the next video, you'll get a notification on your YouTube notification bell.